So in this video we're going to be showing you how to fit the taps to the bath like that, and they will fit on there. Now some baths come with holes that are already drilled, these don't, so they've provided a nice nifty little template for this one, and all you do is a circle there where the overflow goes, so you can just simply feel your way till it lines up with the hole, and hold it in place with a bit of masking tape like that. That's just if you run your finger around the circle you'll be able to feel the edges. And the next thing you need to do is align it to the bath. So there's some markings there that give you the edge of the bath. So that's running out slightly at that edge, but it's also running out slightly at this edge. But the front of that marking is on the edge of the bath, so that's okay. And again down at the back here there's some markings. So what we need to do is just hold that in place with masking tape. Now you probably noticed that I've already put some masking tape on the bath itself, because what I don't want is it to mark the bath with the drill. So yeah, just adjust this slightly now. To the curve of the bath, it's slightly creasing the paper. The next thing you need to do is get a drill. So I am using a step drill. It goes up to 32mm. That's about the same as tap. It says tap hole diameter is 36mm. I don't have a 36mm drill, but this will give me the correct aperture for the tap anyway, so you can always use a file to file them if you don't have the correct drill size. But like I said, I don't have a 36mm drill, and it's somewhat a little bit easier. So starting off slowly, allow the drill to take speed up. Because you run out of battery halfway through. There we go, there's the first hole done. Just move the camera. So there you can see the hole. See the drill's gone all the way through, so the diameter there of 36mm, that's not too far out. So you would get away with 32mm, so then you go on to the second one. So because the drill bit gets hot, it does tend to stick to it. Again, starting off slowly. And one thing you can do is you can just mark through the paper onto the bath. Again, like I said, put some masking tape on first so you don't damage the bath. There we go. I don't need a template now. remove the masking tape. And you have two nice holes. So there you go. Now that was a 32mm drill bit. If you're using a 36mm one, it will give you a little bit more of adjustment to move the tabs, but that's absolutely spot on for me. Can't complain. So you just need to unscrew the locking nuts. Like that. And there you go. So these just tighten up underneath. So using a bit of masking tape as well, you can just wrap it around there. You can tighten these up. These can be tightened up once these are tightened up. So there you can see the nuts underneath. Now this being a freestanding bath, you can move the bath around a lot, so you don't really need to get a bath spanner. You can just use an ordinary adjustable spanner. And you need to make sure these are well tight as well. There we go. And then do there we go. Like I say, once you've got the masking tape on, gently tighten these up. If you're thinking, well, isn't that the opposite way? No, because they tighten up onto the spouts that are coming out. Now this is polished chrome, that's why I've put masking tape on. And once they're on, they're nice and tight. Remove the masking tape. And that so what's left to do now is we need to mount all the bits and pieces that came with it. This is what's called a telephone shower, by the way. So you need to make sure that washer's inside, and all that does is go on top like that. Doesn't matter which way you put it either way. So you need to put the nut end onto that section. You see the cone end of it goes on the shower. They also give you a spare washer. So that is the shower section. This is why it's called a telephone shower. So it looks like a telephone. And that just screws on to there. These only need to be hand tight, and then it just sits on the bath like that. Then masking tape on there. we go. So guys, this is how you fit the telephone showers to a bath, drill the holes and everything. Now if you didn't have a template for this, the markings will tell you in the instructions and you need to measure this hole distance, but what you would do is use this as a central point for your the taps, and then you'll be able to use that to get these taps central into there, measuring the distances for the holes. And obviously you can use a slightly larger drill bit so you can move them about a few millimeters if you need to. But this bath came with a template, which is good, and that was how you get the taps in. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in another video soon.